Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. Thank you so much for checking out our channel. We really appreciate you being here. In just a few short days, here in the U.S., we'll be observing Memorial Day. We are so fortunate to live in the U.S., in a country where we can freely ride our bike. It doesn't matter your gender, your race, or your economic standing. You can get out and ride. We are able to experience this freedom because of those who paid the ultimate price, those who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. This Memorial Day weekend, many of us will be riding and enjoying this country of ours. Maybe you'll be joining in a large memorial ride. Maybe it'll be in Washington, D.C. We did that a few years ago when we participated in Rolling Thunder. I'll put a link at the end so you can see that. Maybe you're going to do the Ride to Remember. There's a lot of places that you can go. You don't have to be part of a big ride to just say your thank yous. In your local area, I'm sure there's a park, a memorial, something that you can ride by, give a salute, say a thank you. I'd like to share one special place that I love to go to. It has special meaning to me, and it's in my hometown of Torrance, California. It's called Seaside Heroes Park. This park was created to remember 3 young men from the neighborhood who all went to the elementary, middle, and high school in this area. Within 18 months, all 3 died on active duty in combat in either Iraq or Afghanistan. The story of how this park was created is rather unique. The city of Torrance was going to just name this little grassy area some random name, and one lady within the neighborhood decided, no, it needs to have something more special. Recently, the boys had lost their lives, and she felt it was important to walk the neighborhood and say, we need to petition the city to name this park after these 3 young, brave heroes. Her name is June Lee. She just happens to be my mom. I'm very proud she did this. There is no relationship to any of these boys that passed away. She just felt it was the right thing to do. If you stop at Seaside Heroes Park, and I'll have a link below so that you can find it, you'll be able to read memorials on who these young heroes were, what they did, and why we should pay such respect to them and their families. The park was officially named by the City Council on August 10th, 2010, with significant community input, I would say so. The name is in reference to its geographic area and in honor of 3 fallen soldiers who served in the Army. The name is intended to honor these local military personnel: Corporal Joseph Anzack Jr., Captain Matthew Ferrara, and Corporal Micah Gifford. These young men died while serving in Iraq, Joseph and Micah, and Afghanistan, Matthew, within an 11-month period, December 2006 to November 2007. The men grew up in the South Torrance neighborhood where the park is located. All 3 attended South High School. The park's special feature is a Veterans Memorial Wall honoring these 3 men. This is just one place in California that you can go to pay your respects to our fallen heroes. I'd like to challenge each of you to share in the comments below a special place in your area that someone can ride to pay their respects. It would be great to see all 50 states represented. So on this Memorial Day weekend, thank you to our veterans. Thank you to our Gold Star families. We could never repay you what you have given us, our freedom. Ride safe, and we'll catch you on the highways.